Hello buddies, good morning. And this is our Hungry Intelligent Block Machine Company. And today I would like to make an introduction of this particular Q23-15 fully automatic block making machine now. Here what you see now is this 3-15, the fully automatic hydraulic block making machine. Here's the controller, and here is the host block machine. And over here is the pellet feeder. Is the pellet feeder will be hold pellets like here. The pellets will be put inside here. And here is the mold. You see this particular mold is produce zigzag pavers. And here is the block transfer. The blocks, after blocks is produced, the blocks will be transferred out from here. And this part we call it block starter, and the block stacker. Here is the material feeder. It's the material feeder. This one concrete material will be loaded inside from the hopper. Here. And it will be fed from here. And this one is we call it a vibration motor, which will be supply the power of the vibration force to the vibration box to supply the vibration force to form the blocks. And here is the hydraulic cylinder will be to power to lift up the mold after the bricks is formed. And this one is the pressor, is the hydraulic pressor, to try to compress the bricks from the top. And here's the motor. And here is the motor is for to supply the power here. You see the motor and the reducer and the chains. And here the chains will be to shift the forks inside over there. The forks is over there. The forks will be mixing and stirring the concrete material and inside the mold box to try to make the concrete material inside the mold box everywhere. And you can see here the zigzag pavers with color surface. With color surface is just produced yesterday. And we will supply you the 2 pieces of the trolley. Will be carry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pellets. Even you can put 6. It's also okay. 6 pellets. See, very nice, right? Very nice. I will show you in detail. And because the sand and the pigments is a little rough, it's not smart enough. So if your material is soft enough, the surface will be more light, will be more smart. And you can see the density of the bricks, right? Very good. And here's the conveyor belt. And here's the concrete mixer. And you can recognize the difference of my mixer with the normal mixer. The normal mixer is only have the mixer only for mixing material, but I have the ladder. I have the loader, the lift loader with the ladder. And now the ladder will be normally we will dig a hole. Normally we will dig a hole here. The hopper, this material hopper will go down and sink inside the ground. So you can fit the sand, the stone dust, and gravel inside the hopper by manually. It's very more easy. It's a lifter. The hopper is a lifter. And here is the mixer inside. And now I want to introduce the controller box for you. Now is the controller box inside. I want to show you how to connect the wire for each one.
还有一个。